From AR glasses that translate languages to a VR headset that treats children with amblyopia, these AR and VR gadgets are pretty impressive. They might even make you feel like you're living in the future. The year 2050 is a good 28 years away, but the cool AR and VR gadgets on this list make it feel a whole lot closer. Not just gaming headsets. Quite a few of these gadgets have enterprise-level applications for things like VR training, product design, and even healthcare. The world is about to get way more futuristic with these designs. Keep reading to see what we mean. Switch from AR to VR with the Magic Leap 2 AR headset. Featuring a global dimming tool, this AR headset lets you transition from AR to VR, leaving only the virtual presentation. This tool also boosts the solidity of digital content in bright environments. The Magic Leap 2 also offers a larger 65-degree field of view compared to the predecessor for a more expansive digital workspace. Moreover, this smart eyewear comes with a wireless handheld controller, enabling you to manipulate objects placed in reality. This controller features 2 camera sensors to provide more accuracy and best suit factory environments. Additionally, this headset offers hand tracking without a controller. Finally, the new and improved design means a smaller format that you can slip on quickly. Get the sensation that digital objects in your hand are real with the SenseGlove Nova VR glove. With force feedback, it emits 20 newtons of resistance within 10 ms, creating the feeling that objects are really in your hand. Feel the equivalent to the weight of a 2 kilograms brick. This allows you to feel what it's like to pick up and hold a variety of objects. You can also turn them around and lift them up and down to gauge their size, shape, and texture. As a result, it's suitable for VR training. Moreover, the SenseGlove Nova VR glove features advanced voice coil-actuated technology, allowing it to render the feeling of realistic button clicks and impact simulations. Finally, it also combines sensor-based finger tracking with computer vision hand tracking algorithms. Enjoy the versatility and freedom of the HTC VIVE wrist tracker. Compatible with the HTC VIVE Focus 3 VR headset, it's 50% lighter and 85% smaller than the VIVE Focus 3 controller. Moreover, wear this gadget on your wrist or attach it to objects to track in 3D space. Intuitive to use, it offers a simple one-button pairing feature to connect wirelessly to your VR headset. You can also remove or clean the strap with ease. Additionally, the HTC VIVE wrist tracker offers up to 4 hours of non-stop use, and the LED indicator alerts you of the battery status. It promises to track from your fingertips to your elbow and can even predict your pose when the headset can't locate the tracker, so it always knows the exact position of your forearm and wrist. Read exactly what a person says to you in another language with the Google AR glasses. This concept wearable gives you the ability to see languages translated in front of your eyes. This is a game changer for your work with international companies and when you travel. Never again will you have to wonder what the server in a restaurant aboard is saying to you. These glasses show you his every word. It's an incredibly cool application and one that integrates AR more readily into our daily lives. Put on the glasses to see languages translated right on the lenses. This practical application of AR could bring game-changing improvements to the real world. Enjoy your virtual reality experience even more with the HTC VIVE Pro 2 VR headset. Boasting impressive specs like a 120Hz refresh rate, this wearable ensures you can keep up with your games. Moreover, the 5 Kelvin resolution display offers 2448 by 2448 pixels per eye, so you see everything with clarity. Improving upon the VIVE Pro, this HTC headset delivers a 120-degree field of view. The former offered only 110 degrees. Not only that, but this headset also has display stream compression. This technological standard produces lossless images and minimal motion blur. Crafted with an ergonomic design, adjustable straps, and sizing dials, this headset also has built-in headphones. Certified with high-res audio 3D spatial sound, the HTC VIVE Pro 2 is also easy to use with other headphones and VIVE Steam Bar gadgets. AR and VR headsets aren't new, but the Varjo XR3 mixed reality headset is different. This gadget features photorealistic visual fidelity across a horizontal 115-degree field of view, and, powered by low-latency, 12-megapixel video pass-through, it offers true-to-life images and videos. In fact, the real-time 3D image reconstructions easily build realistic environments. Furthermore, LiDAR powers this mixed reality headset for pixel-perfect depth awareness. Furthermore, this gadget features ultra-leap hand tracking and integrated 200Hz eye tracking to replicate natural interactions. In fact, It captures all the complexities of human movements to make you feel like it's real life. Finally, with ultra-low latency and 12-megapixel video streams, this headset lets you explore realistic sceneries as if they're natural parts of the world. Game anywhere with the VITURE One wearable gaming glasses. Boasting a 120 inches pixel-free portable virtual screen, they have dual 1080p 60fps 55p PD lenses. Moreover, this cloud gaming gadget lets you enjoy AA apps such as Stadio, Parsec, and Shadow, and titles like Elden Ring, NBA 2K, Spider-Man, The Witcher 3, and more. It also works with PlayStation, Xbox, PC Remote Play, and Switch. Only 78 grams, VITURE One has a heat-free design and boasts spatial sound for immersion. Furthermore, control it with your voice while you play games or watch movies via the 5G or Wi-Fi connection. Additionally, as a Google ATV wearable device, it comes preloaded with streaming services and gaming platforms, and supports Google Play. Not just a wearable tech product, this fashion accessory truly blends into your life to make it better. Finally, play or watch anything, anywhere, without anyone knowing on the VITURE One. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.